Hi friends, I'm Matthew with Just Right Carpet Cleaning and Pressure Washing. This is my daughter Ruby. Wanted to give a shout out to Doug Rucker for his online pressure washing school. Been using it for just over a year. And in the last year we grew our business by about 50%, and a big part of that was pressure washing. So I want to encourage you to consider doing Doug's online school or going to his school on site. It's an excellent training. For me, there's three main reasons why I feel it's benefited me. One is Doug is very knowledgeable and will save you a lot of issues. I know for me, he's protected me from making a lot of mistakes. And second, it gives you incredible amount of confidence, knowing, okay, I'm doing the right thing, I'm applying the right cleaning solution at the right time, especially in tricky situations. So that's second. And third, it's an investment in yourself and in your company. It's something you can use for the rest of your career as a pressure washer. So for those three reasons, I encourage you to consider doing Doug's online school or on site. Thanks so much.